saw the unboxing of the Mantispod PRO vlogging tripod, which was super easy to mount, and I instantly noticed the premium quality. This video is not sponsored by PGYTECH, I bought this for my own usage. The tripod comes with mounts both for your DSLR camera as well as your phone. The price of this tripod is currently around $160, which in itself is not super expensive for the quality you get. But if I compare it to what DJI is capable of producing for the same money, like the DJI OM5, which on the other hand only works for cell phones, but it has a 3-axis gimbal system with modals, apps, follow modes, etc. I can absolutely argue that Mantispod PRO is expensive. Oh well, back to Mantispod PRO. It has 7 modes to capture every angle of your life: extended mode, lowered view mode, elevated tripod mode, mantis mode, mobile vlogging mode, vertical shooting mode, handheld mode, lots of names. But to summarize, it can hold your camera standing in different positions or hanging onto something, which is super convenient. This feature is the reason I bought the Mantispod PRO. I absolutely love the Mantispod PRO and how simple it is to use. You also have an extra hot shoe for your microphone. There are 2 buttons, one for the legs and one for the camera tilting. You also have a little switch that releases the mini reverse ball head, so you can adjust your camera at any angle. There is not much more to say than if you need a vlogging tripod, Mantispod PRO is a very good choice. The premium quality will make it last for a very long time. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want more of this content, subscribe as well. Peace.